In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make pay stubs on QuickBooks. We're keeping things straightforward. You'll learn exactly where in QuickBooks to go so you can create and access pay stubs quickly and confidently. This walkthrough uses the classic QuickBooks layout where payroll is managed from the top menu and organized inside the payroll center. Start by opening QuickBooks and looking to the top of your screen for the Employees menu. Click Employees, then choose Payroll Center. This one move takes you into the Command Center for all things payroll. The Payroll Center is designed to gather everything you need in one place, so you don't have to hunt through multiple windows. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry, themes and additions can vary. What matters is getting into the Payroll Center through the Employees menu so you're working in the right hub for paychecks and stubs. Once the Payroll Center opens, go to the Pay Employees tab. This is the home base for creating and managing paychecks, and it's where pay stubs originate. Inside this tab, you'll typically see your payroll schedules, upcoming and recent payrolls, and links to view details tied to each payroll run. Pay stubs are simply the paycheck details formatted for your employees. They include gross pay, taxes, deductions, contributions, and year-to-date totals. When payroll is processed, those stubs are generated from the same data and are accessible right here. A few practical pointers while you're in the Pay Employees tab. Make sure your company information and employer identification details are correct, because those print onto the stubs. Confirm each employee's pay rate, deductions, and tax setup ahead of time, so the stubs reflect exactly what you intend. If you're reviewing stubs from a specific payroll date, double check the pay period and pay date filters so you're seeing the correct batch. If you use direct deposit, the pay stub still appears here. It just shows the net amount deposited rather than a check to print. It's also a good idea to think about delivery. Some businesses print stubs and hand them out. Others save them as PDFs or share them securely. Whatever you choose, treat pay stubs as confidential documents and store or send them with care. That's it. With two quick moves, employees at the top, then payroll center, and inside that, the Pay Employees tab, you're exactly where pay stubs are created and managed. Pause and replay as needed while you follow along in your own file, and you'll be set to produce accurate, professional pay stubs every pay period.